Do you have hand sanitizer up there?
Yep, he's trying to dump boards. Use caution, guys. He's trying to dump boards on you. Use caution, use caution. He's coming. Boards on you, guys. He's on the wall here. Give him an opportunity to get off. He's still wanting to go traffic here. That's what we're talking about. Traffic for you. Multi-car crash. Multi-car crash. The white male's out on foot. Just south of the 51, start firing EMS. We're going to need at least 3 to 5 medics, probably.
Is it round at all?
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Stop moving! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
CNN, MSNBC. Whoa. What the f you doing, buddy? Seriously? Oh, okay. You're gonna hit and run me? Okay, I got that on video here.
So right here, I see they getting a little too close, right? So I get off the brake right there. Boom. They had a chance not to hit me. Didn't get off the brake. Look at them. Gone. Just took off on me. I end up moving to this spot over here so I can easily tell the cops where I'm at. Tell me why. The person comes into this parking lot, dog. The same parking lot I'm in. I'm like, bro, ain't no way. Tell me why they call a lift or whatever and flee the scene right here in front of me. Caught it all on camera. Like they didn't even know I was in the same parking lot. Blew my mind. But of course, you know, the cops took the time getting there and couldn't, they didn't catch anything.